Hi, I'm very excited today to show you how I am going to set up my journal for 2025. I wanted a color which will be more cheery and bright, and I decided that yellow is going to be the color for my 2025 notebook. I found this beautiful yellow honeybee journal from Scribble and Dot. It has this honeycomb texture, it's bright, very cheery colored bookmarks. One ribbon in yellow and another in gray. Quite color coordinated. Index already, so I don't have to do the index myself. It has 160 numbered pages, then test pages at the back and all. Looking forward to set up my 2025 in this journal. What should be the color of my 2025? It will be cheery bright yellow, more pink, green. Sorry, this is blue. This page is for my manifestations of 2025. Last year's journal, I had only a small segment. And then for every month, I did manifestation page or something. This year, I'm going to do manifestations. Do I have resolutions? No, I don't have any more resolutions. I only manifest awesome stuff now. Well, I resolved to steal Christian's 30 pen set, but I have already done that. Next up, I'm going to set up the recurring appointments, or when did I do last, some major things which I have to do every 3 months or so. There will not be a lot of design on it, just plain and practical. Maybe there will be a few stickers.